Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm legitimately nervous for this video. This is something that you guys have been asking me to do and hold off on doing for a little while. So in today's video, obviously, if you've seen the title, we're gonna be checking the dipstick on my 2022 Subaru WRX. For the first time, I haven't checked it yet. I've got 1,500 miles on the car, and we're gonna check it to see if we see any RTV on the dipstick itself. I have not pulled the dipstick yet. No one's pulled the dipstick. We're gonna experience this at the same time. And before we get into it, for all of you guys that are gonna start getting into the comments about the new modification on this WRX that you can probably already see, yes, the video is coming. This video is probably gonna beat it coming out, but that install is coming very, very soon. If you don't know what I'm talking about, keep an eye out on some of the videos coming and maybe look at some of the other videos because something is different with this car and you guys can see it right now. But let's get into the video. Let's get the trunk open and see what we see. Here we go, the moment of truth. Just got a shop rag. We're gonna come over so you guys can see. There is nothing to be seen so far on the dipstick. Nothing on the dipstick. So let's clean it off. Let's look and see what comes off of the dipstick. No material. Let's go back in. This is round two. Clean oil. Nothing on it. Boy, oh boy, is that a relief. I really wasn't sure what I was expecting. Does that mean I'm out of the clear? Absolutely not. I just know that some people have been seeing RTV on the dipstick. Has 1,500 miles driving been enough to get on there? I just don't know. We don't really have that much information about it. I will be honest, I was pretty nervous leading up to this video. I was waiting for that 1,500 mile mark to check the dipstick, so I'm feeling a little bit better, but again, by no means am I out of the water. It just shows that it's not on the dipstick yet. So we're gonna try this again at 5,000 miles. We're gonna have a couple oil changes, or at least one oil change between then and now. I'm gonna change the oil actually relatively soon. I wanted to hit this mileage mark before changing the oil just in case. So while this is a very inconclusive video, it's a very short video. It's just something that you guys have been asking to do and something that I wanted to do live with you guys and experience a little bit of car automotive anxiety together because yeah, I've seen some dipsticks that are covered in RTV and I was a little nervous because as I see more and more tuners making more and more power on this car and more modifications coming out, we might be doing something special with it. So I want to make sure it's in perfect health for the upcoming summer, let's just say. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.